In order to use the lockdown browser with a Windows Narrator, you have to open the Windows Narrator before you start the test. To do this, I'm going to hit the Windows key, the Control key, and Enter.
Starting Narrator.
It will say Starting Narrator.
Scan.
It is now important to put this in scan mode. You do this by hitting the Narrator key. The Narrator key, while with the Windows Narrator is open, is the caps lock key. So to put it in scan mode, I'm going to hit the caps lock key and spacebar.
Scan.
Now that scan mode is on, I'm going to open the test.
Link. Food label. Open lockdown browser. Cancel. Button.
Then click Open Lockdown.
Alert. HTTP lockdown browser.
You can keep clicking even though it's reading the alerts.
7.00 dialog. Yes. Button. Alt+Y.
Click the top of the screen
Respondus lockdown
and it will
browser
just say
window.
what the window is and stop reading. Once the quiz loads, you'll click Begin.
Assessment home page. Begin. Document. Alert. Quizzes. Take. Assessment content page. Group. Quizzes.
I'm going to click the top of the screen so it stops reading.
Respondus lockdown browser window.
Now, because it's in scan mode, I'm going to click on the question box of the first question or information that I want it to read. So if I wanted to read the directions, I'll click here.
Assessment content page. A tale of
and I'm going to hit the down arrow until it gets
Test
to
your knowledge of food labels
the
by
question.
answering the following questions.
Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on question 1 and then hit the down arrow.
1 point.
Keep hitting it till it starts reading.
Question at position. If something is listed as one of the first 3 ingredients on a nutrition facts food label, it means the food probably contains a lot of it.
Down arrow.
Answer. True. True.
Down arrow.
Answer. False. Radio button. Non-selected. False.
Down arrow. Now I'll click on question 2.
Group.
Hit the down arrow.
1 point.
Down arrow.
Button.
Down
Question
arrow.
at position 2.
Down
On
arrow.
a food label, most nutrients are written in grams, g, or milligrams, mg. There are underscore milligrams in 1 gram.
Down arrow.
Question blank 1 of 1.
Down arrow. Click on question 3. Down
1
arrow.
point.
Down arrow.
Button.
Down
Question
arrow.
at
Down
because
arrow.
food labels are written according to the calorie needs of adults, they are not useful to kids.
When you're finished, you'll hit submit.
Submit. Unanswered questions. Close. Button. Heading level 2 unanswered questions. Group.
And now that you are finished, you can close or exit
Taskbar.
the lockdown browser. And to turn the Windows Narrator off again, you're going to do the Windows Control Enter.